LittleBeeKidsStudio. The Tale of Waddleton's Uniting Quest. Once upon a time, in the enchanting world where picturesque meadows merged with rolling hills, there existed a land where tales of wonder and adventure intertwined. In this mystical realm, two legendary ponds held secrets and bestowed blessings upon those who proved themselves worthy, the Magical Pond of Waddleton and the Golden Pond. At the heart of the land lay the quaint town of Waddleton, where a curious and adventurous duck named Quillbert resided. Quillbert's shimmering golden feathers captivated the town's inhabitants, and his longing for exploration matched the tales of the magical pond whispered throughout Waddleton. One sunny morning, as Quillbert strolled through the town, he encountered two inseparable ducklings, Quibble and Quack, in the midst of their excitement over an old, tattered map they had found. The map depicted a trail leading to the fabled Golden Pond, whispered to possess treasures beyond imagination. "Quibble, Quack, what's this map you have?" inquired Quillbert, intrigued by their discovery. "Quillbert, we found a map to the legendary Golden Pond," exclaimed Quibble, waving the old parchment with excitement. Quack nodded enthusiastically. "We're going on an adventure to find it. Imagine the wonders waiting for us." Quillbert's eyes sparkled with curiosity. "A quest for the Golden Pond? Count me in." "But wait, I've heard tales of another magical pond, the fabled Magical Pond of Waddleton. Legends say it grants wishes to those who prove themselves worthy." Quibble and Quack exchanged eager glances. "Perhaps our quests are intertwined, Quillbert. The map might lead us to both ponds," suggested Quack. With newfound enthusiasm, the trio set off on their combined quest, Quillbert leading the way with the map clutched firmly between his bill. Along their journey, they encountered various challenges and aided creatures in need, their bonds of friendship growing stronger with each hurdle they overcame. As they ventured through forests and crossed rivers, the map guided them closer to their destination. On the horizon, they saw a landscape shimmering with golden hues, a sight that made their hearts race with anticipation. Approaching the edge of the shimmering pond, Quillbert recognized the aura of the Magical Pond of Waddleton. Could this be the legendary pond from the tales? He wondered aloud. Quibble and Quack gazed in awe at the mesmerizing beauty before them. "It's breathtaking. But look, the water shimmers like the Golden Pond," observed Quack. Before they could marvel further, a soothing voice echoed from the waters. "Welcome, brave travelers, to the convergence of two magical realms, the Golden Pond and the Magical Pond of Waddleton." The trio exchanged excited glances, feeling a sense of wonder and anticipation. "To prove your worthiness, you must overcome trials that test your courage, kindness, and wisdom," the voice intoned. Emboldened by their unity, Quillbert, Quibble, and Quack accepted the challenge. In the first trial, they confronted a perplexing maze adorned with shimmering illusions that danced and twisted, attempting to disorient any who dared to navigate its paths. The maze was fraught with obstacles disguised as towering walls of shifting colors, mischievous echoes, and deceptive pathways that seemed to lead in circles. Yet, undeterred by the illusionary tricks, Quillbert, Quibble, and Quack relied on their keen instincts and collaborated seamlessly, discerning the real from the illusory. With calculated steps and clever teamwork, they maneuvered through the labyrinth, deciphering the maze's complexities and unveiling the true passage to victory. Their unity and strategic cooperation not only led them to triumph but also garnered accolades from both ponds, acknowledging their bravery and unity in the face of bewildering illusions and challenging obstacles. The second trial assessed their kindness. They encountered creatures in need, a family of rabbits seeking shelter. Working as one, they constructed a cozy burrow, showcasing their empathy and compassion. In the third trial, they encountered an array of enigmatic riddles and puzzles, each more intricate than the last. One riddle posed the question, "I speak without a mouth and hear without ears. I have nobody, but I come alive with the wind. What am I?" Their collective intellect deliberated, and Quillbert exclaimed, "An echo." Another puzzle presented a grid of symbols, cryptic patterns hinting at a hidden sequence. Through collaborative brainstorming and creative reasoning, they unveiled the sequence: circle, square, triangle, star, unlocking the puzzle's hidden solution. Each riddle and puzzle they encountered tested their wit and resourcefulness, yet with their combined wisdom and innovative thinking, Quillbert, Quibble, and Quack decoded the mysteries, leaving both pawns awestruck by their intelligence and astuteness. As the trials concluded, the pawns glowed with an ethereal light. "You have shown bravery, kindness, and wisdom beyond measure. Your wishes shall be granted," echoed the voices in unison. Quillbert closed his eyes and wished for the prosperity and harmony of all creatures in Waddleton. Quibble and Quack, with heartfelt unity, wished for the continuation of adventures that bind friends together. Suddenly, a shower of sparkles filled the air, and the townsfolk of Waddleton experienced a surge of warmth and abundance. Fruits, vegetables, and grains blossomed, and joy echoed through the town as the creatures celebrated the unison of both pawns' blessings. As Quillbert, Quibble, and Quack returned to Waddleton, they were hailed as heroes, their combined quests weaving a tale of unity and friendship that would be retold for generations. In the days that followed, the townsfolk of Waddleton rejoiced in the newfound prosperity, embracing unity and kindness, inspired by the legendary adventurer's tale. And so, the legacy of Quillbert, Quibble, and Quack's combined quest for the Golden Pond and the Magical Pond of Waddleton remained etched in the annals of Waddleton, a testament to the power of unity, courage, and unwavering friendship. Their tale became a cherished legend, reminding all who heard it that true magic lies not just in mystical ponds but in the bonds forged through shared adventures and acts of kindness.
Like, share, and subscribe.